When the unfortunate happens, you need a team you can trust, a team with decades of experience, trusted by the nation's premier insurance companies. The Margaret's Restoration Team handles all the contents of your home, and when it comes to your valued wardrobe, the specialists at Margaret's can handle everything from leather and fur and specialty items. When you combine Margaret's decades of experience with today's latest technologies, you get the professional service you demand. We know life happens. You can trust the team of experts at Margaret's Cleaners.